Welcome back to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we're here to show you a little customization we just did on a 2800 E series tractor from Massey Ferguson. This is actually a 2860E. What we've done is this is one of the 4-cylinder models in the more basic package, but we had a set of fenders we took off of a 2800 M series compact. The front fenders are available on the 2800 M series, and they fit up just perfect on this 2800E. You have to take these two bolts out. Grease zerk still accessible here. You put the bolt in, and there's a spacer under this one here, and installed the front fender option on a 2800E series. They're not available as a kit. I'm working on showing this to Massey to see if they'll get it available that we can put it on M series and E series, but they are available through Agco Parts. You're gonna have to buy each piece at a time. We can do that here at Vahrenberg Implement, or go to your local dealer. They're in the 2800 M series parts book. Under the accessories tab, you can get front fender kit. And look at that. Don't they look swell? Now, one of the things when you install front fenders in the adjustment is to make sure they don't get into the components. You can see here we've got it turned and we've got clearance back here. But the other thing is you got to look at when it oscillates. I'm going to start up the tractor, raise the loader, raise this up so we can oscillate and turn the wheel and make sure everything clears for the front fender. So what you need to do is make sure that the tractor oscillates down and up. You still got clearance. You can see when it oscillated up, the clearance got a lot closer than when it's in the down position. So that is what you need to do when you install your fenders. And there is adjustments on the bracket here, and there's adjustments of right here in and out too. That's what you need to do to put front fenders on your 2800E series tractor from Massey Ferguson. I hope that helped you learn about the front fender option that is now available from Massey Ferguson that you can put on your E series tractors. The 2800E series is a very popular series of tractors for us here at Vahrenberg Implement. Available in 50 and 60 horsepower basic version. This one is a sink or shuttle model, or they do have a hydrostat version available. So now you can run fenders, keep the mud and the grime and the dirt and the water and that stuff off of the platform, and they work super great. Visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer and put your fenders on your 2800E series, and probably the 2700E series too should have the same front axle. We'll just jump over here on this side, take a look at it. Now, the other thing to look at is loader clearance. When you get turning and you start turning these wider radiuses, you need to make sure you got clearances in all directions on both sides. So get you a set of fenders, get them from your Massey Ferguson dealer, and pimp up your Massey Ferguson 2800E series tractors. And if you're in West Central Missouri, just come visit us here at Vahrenberg Implement. We're located right here on Fairground Avenue, which is Business 13 Highway, and Missouri 13 Highway. We're getting a lot more tractors in. We've got a lot of the Global series, getting a few compacts. We're just 49 miles from the Kansas line over there, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, on Missouri 13 highway. That's the busy north-south route that goes from Springfield, Warrensburg through Lexington, just 15 miles from the Missouri River up here to the north, just 30 miles outside of Kansas City. If you're looking for a tractor and you're looking for one customized to fit your need, you need to come to Vahrenberg Implement in Higginsville, Missouri. We're going to help you do more, get more out of your hard-earned money and get your tractor built exactly the way you need it. So now you've got a Fender option for 2800 E-Series owners, and you can come get it at Vahrenberg Implement.